Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have something incredibly exciting to discuss, the Google Pixel Watch 2. In this comprehensive review, we'll dive deep into every aspect of this remarkable smartwatch. 1. Introduction. But before we jump into the details, let's set the stage. The Pixel Watch 2 is Google's latest addition to the smartwatch market. It's the successor to the original Pixel Watch and aims to redefine the way we experience smartwatches. 2. Design and build quality. First up, let's talk about design and build quality. The Pixel Watch 2 takes the sleek water droplet look of its predecessor and elevates it to new heights. With a more durable cover glass and a 100% recycled aluminum housing, it's both sturdy and eco-friendly. 3. Performance. Under the hood, the Pixel Watch 2 boasts a powerful quad-core CPU, promising smooth and snappy performance. It's designed to keep up with your active lifestyle, whether you're hitting the gym or just going about your day. 4. Battery life. Battery life is always a concern with smartwatches. Well, Google has heard our prayers. Even with the display in always-on mode, the Pixel Watch 2 promises an impressive 24 hours of use on a single charge. And the best part? It charges faster than ever, just 30 minutes for a 12-hour charge. 5. Software and features. Now, let's delve into the software and features. The Pixel Watch 2 runs on the latest Wear OS 4, bringing a slew of new apps and improvements. From Gmail and Calendar to YouTube Music and Google Assistant, it's a feature-rich experience. 6. Safety features. Google understands the importance of safety. The Pixel Watch 2 introduces safety features like Safety Check and Emergency Location Sharing. These features ensure you're never alone during your adventures. 7. Health and fitness tracking. But what truly sets the Pixel Watch 2 apart is its health and fitness tracking capabilities. Google and Fitbit have joined forces to provide a comprehensive health monitoring experience. 8. Heart rate sensor. The heart rate sensor has undergone a significant upgrade. It now features a multi-path sensor with 10 times more optical channels for more accurate readings, especially during vigorous activities like HIIT and rowing. 9. Coaching features. To enhance your workouts, the Pixel Watch 2 offers coaching features that help you stay on pace and in your target heart rate zone. It's like having a personal trainer right on your wrist. 10. Skin temperature sensor. The new skin temperature sensor provides valuable insights into your sleep and overall wellness. It's a game changer for those looking to optimize their well-being. 11. Continuous electrodermal activity sensor, CETA. And let's not forget the continuous electrodermal activity sensor, or CETA sensor. It powers Fitbit's body response, helping you manage stress and improve your overall mental health. 12. Real-life testimonials. Now, let's hear from real users. We've gathered some testimonials from individuals who have experienced the Pixel Watch 2 in their daily lives. 13. Fitbit app integration. The integration with the newly redesigned Fitbit app is seamless. It offers a holistic view of your health and wellness, making it easier than ever to manage your fitness goals. 14. AI-powered insights. One of the most exciting features is the AI-powered insights. With generative AI, the Fitbit app surfaces connections and correlations in your data, providing valuable context to your health journey. 15. Conclusion. In conclusion, the Google Pixel Watch 2 is a game-changer in the world of smartwatches. It offers a perfect blend of style, performance, safety, and health tracking. Whether you're an athlete or someone looking to lead a healthier life, this watch has something for everyone. 16. Call to action. If you're as excited about the Pixel Watch 2 as we are, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Also, let us know your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. That's all for today, folks. Thanks for joining us on this in-depth journey through the Google Pixel Watch 2. Until next time, stay tech savvy.